Hi YouTube, hello everyone, I'm Mini Dobby, this is Mini Diaries episode 9. Thank you for clicking on my video, hopefully you'll enjoy it enough to give it a thumbs up button. I do weekly vlogs of my activities on and around classic minis. My one's just behind you there. This week I've had a lot of parcels come in. I've got my Speedo cable from Mini Spares, nice quick delivery on that, only ordered that yesterday. I've got the Something Cool come in from Funk Motorsports and gold reflective heat tape. I'm not going to be really using it for the heat management side, going to be putting it on the bulkhead and it's more for the bling factor. I've had my February Because race car box come in, means I'm going to be doing a review on that, and I'm also going to be picking a winner from my last month's competition slash giveaway. And then at the end of the video, hopefully you have enjoyed it enough to hit the subscribe button too. Because Race Car Box, UK's #1 detailing subscription box. This is February's edition. They've stepped it up this month, feels nice and packed, and I'm sure it's full of goodies. You can also see my January's one there as well, that features in my giveaway, which I'll be announcing shortly. Packed nice and tight. First off, I've got the introduction leaflet, nice photo on the top with a nice garage. This is the first month of the introduction postcard. It's really great, it gives you lots of information about all of the products that are in the box. It's a nice good quality photo and could start going up on the wall. In this month's edition we've got Keep It Mint Citrus Pre-Wash, Bear Care Luminous Wax Shampoo, Buffett Multi-Surface Cleaner. That's quite an interesting one with a new technology in there. Creative Hitch Air Fresheners, and Because Race Car Box drying towel, which is on the top there. It's nice and soft, nice and plush. Information says there that it's 40 by 40 centimeters and has 1000 GSM. These are really good for drying your car. 2 or 3 of them is quite handy as well. Don't really want to put that on the floor though. Next is the Because Race Car Box sticker, could be a little bit smaller. The Creative Hitch Air Freshener, the mandatory black gloves. Now time for the products. First off is the Bear Car Care Luminous Wax Shampoo. So this is a luxury shampoo full of wax that should give you a nice slick gloss finish and provide a top up to your wax protection already if you've got one. Not tried this before, but I prefer a plain shampoo without the added wax. Got a nice size bottle there, and I think it smells of bubblegum. Next up is the Citrus Pre-Wash from Keep It Mint. These are a great product. Citrus Pre-Wash is a great way to pre-wash your vehicle. Removes all of the dirt and grime without actually having to touch the body. It's made in the UK as well, up in Scotland. It's safe to use over the whole car, and I sometimes add a bit into a snow foam mix that I'll be using. It's a great product, and I'd be interested to see how well it does actually eat up that road grime. Then we have Buffett Multi-Surface Cleaner. This uses a new technology. I can't say the word, it's colloidal technology maybe, someone can correct me on that. It means that there's a physical process rather than using strong chemicals. I've never tried this before, so it'd be interesting to see it in action to whoever wins. If you are concerned about using it, always remember to do a test patch area first. Try it on a small area that you can't see and see how it reacts. I'm sure it'll be all okay. It does say that it's quite safe over the bottle. Made in Oxford, England, so it should be quite a clever product, and another good size sample. Go comment on this video to enter my giveaway. All of this to win, along with one of my special shiny stickers. I'll get it delivered right to your door so you get the true Because Race Car Box experience. Don't forget to check them out on Facebook and Instagram. Go and check out their previous boxes and other people's photos that they're always reposting. It's always great to see what other people are doing and how they're using them. So here we go, time to announce the winner of my last giveaway. Hopefully you can see it all happening on my phone here. Whoever does win, it'd be great to see some photos of you using the products too. Right, so I'm over in Josh's corner with some signal. I've got my YouTube or my random YouTube comment picker. All I asked was for you to enter. The giveaway was to comment on episode 5. The comments that I got were brilliant, thank you. It's really nice to hear some feedback from some of you. It's really hitting home the things that I'm doing. There's actually someone watching, it's brilliant. So I've got my comment picker. I've got the URL for episode 5. Paste that into there. Ready for this? Really excited. I never get to win anything, so I'm quite happy to see someone winning. And the winner is Josh Smith. It would be you. I'll be sending all of the race car box up to your door. You get the true experience of the Because race car box. Don't forget to check them out on Instagram. I'll be sending them out to Josh Smith, and thank you for all your comments. Don't forget to comment on this video, go leave a comment, and you could win all of the stuff from this month's box. So I've got my parcels here. First one's a special delivery from Mini Spares. Didn't expect it so quick. And I've got a Speedo cable that's 48 inches long. It said it was fitted to all of the cars between 1976 and 1989. Hopefully this is the right one. That end there does look different to that end there. What I should have done is measure the length of this one, or even better, I can go up to the shop, take this one with me and show them that end and say I'd like one like this please. Always fun in building cars. The other thing that I've got there is some M8 bolts with the Allen key head. That was going to go where that bulkhead plate was. Nice finish on top, but the shoulder here is too long, and as I would do the nut up on the underside, it wouldn't press the plate to the bulkhead, so I've got to find some more of them. Hopefully some success can come from the gold reflective heat tape from Funk Motorsport. Took me a little while to work out how to open it. That was fun. Now this tape should stand up to 450 Celsius whilst reflecting away 80% of radiant heat. You go and take a look at them on Instagram and Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. I'm not really using it for the heat side, I'm more blinging up the bulkhead, trying to get a little bit something different in there, a little bit race car as well. I've always still got my tea. So to quickly show you what I'll be doing is fitting some of that gold tape to the bulkhead. Just had a little practice run to the heat shield for the carb there. It's come out really nice. I will be overlapping it too, and it is quite easy to cut down. Nice product to work with. I'm sure it's going to get more fiddlier on the bulkhead, which I'll take you to now. I've got the gold tape and my straight edge. Gold tape is 50mm wide and I've got 5 meters of it. All I wanted to cover was this little area here. Unfortunately they didn't have the shorter amount in stock. I'm going to start by fitting a slimmer strip below this line here and then go up a few layers. I don't mind the overlap, I think that looks pretty cool, a bit like the exhaust wrapping. It's more to add a bit of bling and a bit of colour to the bulkhead. It may also help with some of the fluids that will run down the bulkhead too and stop them leaving any stains like I had before. I've got my measuring board over on the desk there. I found to get the nice right angled cuts on here it's best to line it up, and that board's got 1,000 squares on it, so that should be quite helpful. Let's get one on. Let's get a strip on there, see what happens. Going for a big strip this time. So fitted another thin little strip. The thinner strips I found were easier to move around, were a bit easier to bend. I have got an absolute load of that left, but it does look pretty cool and real race car. It is coming to a finish. All I've really got left is to replace the clutch master, the speedo cable, which I was meant to be looking at. Let's take you in and have a closer look. That's it for another week. Maybe you could let me know what you think about this gold tape. Let me know if you've had any past experiences with it. Can't wait to get this bulkhead finished. It's going to look the nuts once it's done, I'm sure. Not too much left to go though. Please also enter my giveaway. All of the stuff in the Because race car box there to win. All I'm asking for you to do is go down to the bottom of this video and leave a comment. Any random comment will do. You can also hit me up for one of my stickers. I've got them in white and black. Just head over to my Facebook and my Instagram, which is @minidobby, and send me a message on there. Once again, I don't feel like it's the most productive of episodes. I'm looking forward to the summer. I can't wait to get out there and go and have plenty of mini adventures. Feature them all in my mini diaries. Next week I'll be looking to get the engine back into the subframe, play with the gearbox steadies again, and also probably be visiting a friend's mini. Go and have a look at what they're up to, see if I can get any inspiration from their projects. Asking a few of you, I'll be trying to work out the speedo drive as well, hopefully get that ready before the engine goes in. That's it for another week. Stay safe and be lucky.